Shirshasana or traditional headstand is the king of all asanas as it is highly beneficial for body and mind but can seem a little bit daunting at first. Hey guys, I'm Hitesh. Welcome back to my channel, My Yoga Works. In this video, I'm going to instruct you that how you can get into Shirshasana or traditional headstand easily. So, if you are struggling with your entrance into Shirshasana, watch this complete video and I hope you'll get something out of it for sure. So, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Sit in Vrajasana. Close your eyes and relax the whole body. Stay there for few breaths. Open your eyes. Now first find the crown of your head by placing the base of your palm on your eyebrows. Then bring the middle finger towards the center of the head. Where your middle finger lands is where the crown of your head should come down on the mat. Bend forward and place the forearms on the mat with fingers interlocked and the elbows in front of the knees. The distance between the elbows should be equal to the distance from each elbow to the interlocked fingers, forming an equilateral triangle. Place the crown of your head on the mat between the interlocked fingers. Lift the knees off the floor and straighten the legs. Slowly walk forward towards the trunk and head, gradually moving the back towards a vertical position. Slightly bend the knees and press the thighs against lower abdomen and chest. Raise one foot off the floor, carefully balance, then raise the other foot and balance on head and arms. Fold the legs back so the heels move towards the buttocks. To accomplish this movement, contract the muscles of the lower back. The knees are now pointing down with the legs together. Raise the knees to the vertical position. Keeping the heels near the buttocks, slowly straighten the hips so that thighs move up and away from the torso. Raise the knees until they point directly upward and thighs are in line with the trunk. Slowly straighten the knees and raise the lower legs. The whole body should be in straight line with the feet relaxed. This is the final position. Close the eyes and balance the whole body, relaxing in the final position for as long as possible. Be aware of complete balance. Return to the starting position. Slowly bend the knees and lower the body with control in reverse order until the toes touch the floor. Keep your head on the ground in the kneeling position for a short time, then slowly return to the upright position. When first learning headstand, one may practice normal breathing. Otherwise, inhale at the end of stage 1 and retain the breath inside while raising the body to the final position. Then breathe normally in the final position. Initially, start by holding headstand for at least 10 to 30 seconds. Gradually add seconds every time you practice. And for general health, 3 to 5 minutes holding is sufficient. For beginners, try to focus on maintaining balance. And for those who have been pursuing this posture for a long time, focus on the center of the head or on the respiration. Headstand should not be practiced by people with neck problems, headache or migraine, high blood pressure, heart disease, kidney problems, chronic constipation, impure blood, inflammation of the ears or any kind of blood hemorrhage in the head. Also, it should not be practiced during pregnancy or menstruation. Headstand revitalizes the entire body and mind. It relieves the stress or anxiety and many other psychological disturbances which forms the root cause of so many disorders such as asthma, hay fever, diabetes, etc. One can take so many benefits from this posture only. That is why It is often referred to as the king of all asanas. For beginners, so if you are struggling with your entrance into headstand, try to do this posture with the support of the wall. Now, on the serious note, what if you fall down from this posture? Point number 1. If you fall forward, try to fold the knees into the chest so that the impact on the floor is sustained by the feet. Point number 2. If you fall backwards, arch your back again so that the feet sustain the impact. And beginners, if you are pursuing this posture, try to do this posture under the guidance of somebody or your instructor. And for queries and any question, you can comment down below, or you can also DM me on my Instagram page. I'll share its link in the description below. Thank you so much, guys.